Alright guys, we are going fishing this morning. Got our boat unloaded. We're on the White River. We're gonna see what we can catch today. We're gonna bring y'all along with us. Well, so far guys, we have not caught any fish. We've seen a whole bunch of carp. We've seen about 15 gar. I don't know, it's hot. We just got up on the bank for a minute. We're gonna cool off. What do you think?
I don't know if we'll catch anything.
Why do you have a pink life jacket on?
Because I forgot mine.
I think he likes pink. We're gonna explore this little bank. I don't know what's even up here. What'd you catch?
Not real sure what it is, but it's a humongous fish out of the river. First one.
First one we caught, ain't it?
Yes, sir.
Not had a real good day, have we?
No.
That's all right. Maybe we'll catch some more. You look good in that pink life jacket.
Shut up.
All right, let's let him go.
I want this one.
All right, guys, we are done. We have the boat loaded. Did you catch fish?
Yeah. Not sure what it was.
It was a slow day. We caught one. But we're fixing to go get some bow fishing bows because we've seen a bunch of carp and a bunch of gar. So stay tuned for the next video because that'll probably be it. All right, guys, if you like this, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments.